Number 1, AMAs. Ask Me Anything streams are good because they get to show off your personality, profession, or expertise. Also, it's good last-minute content. I need to do it, you need to do it, we all need to do it. Basic stretching is a simple activity that's easy to follow for everyone. Now on a related note, you can also do a quick and easy workout. Reveal what's inside your bag. This can be your school bag, tech bag, or work bag. We've all heard of a weird food combination from others or online. Why not try it on a stream? It's rocket science to some of us, but wrapping gifts can be useful for all occasions. Learn how to do it in a stream. Lie detector challenge. Need I say more? Now, if you have a younger audience, slime will win their hearts. So why not make your own during the stream? Talk about your previous vacations and encourage everyone in the streams to share their experiences too. Get it off your chest and let everybody know how you're feeling. Rant or rave about a trending issue and hear what everybody else has to say. Everyone loves a good boodle stream. Talk about your top 10 purchases in 2021, or if you're up to it, top 10 purchases so far this year. It would be nice to show off each item on camera para mas immersive ang experience. An oldie but a goodie. Try not to laugh at funny videos. Everyone loves ice cream. Better yet, try out a cold dessert local to where you are. Dito sa amin, halo-halo ang panalo. Learning a language is never a bad idea, so why not learn a universal one? Basic sign language is helpful and inclusive. The idea here is that you can do whatever you want on the stream, even if it's putting on fake nails. This can work for anyone. Challenge yourself to do things after putting on the fake nails, like eating food. A lot of us grew up making paper planes, so why not revisit the experience of origami basics? Thought experiments are intriguing, especially if it's about going back to the past or into the future. What would you tell your younger self? Humans are creatures of habit. Talk about your morning routine and ask others to share theirs so everyone can learn from each other. And if it's not that obvious yet, this could also work for evening routines. Most of us enjoy recreating ourselves with resolutions every new year. So go ahead and talk about yours or your viewers. Kung mid-year na, follow up on them. You're going to need a friend with you in the stream, but Pinoy Henyo is always fun to do. Ask your viewers to help you with the word to guess. Same as the last, you're going to need a friend. Download the 7-second challenge app on your phone and start playing away. Not all of us may be into tech, but riding the hype of trending gadgets can be very interesting even for the non-tech savvy. This can be a little tricky to pull off, but reacting to YouTube videos is always going to be interesting. Check out music videos, movie trailers, or TV series trailers with your viewers. Swim streams can get very creative because of a change in scenery. Just be sure to check on your platform's community guidelines, especially if kids are involved in your stream. Milk tea or bubble tea is something we're all familiar with. Enjoy different flavors or challenge yourself to a 3-liter milk tea mukbang. You may not like milk tea, but you probably like donuts. And so do many other people out there. Enjoy a donut mukbang, make it a challenge, and go for half or even an entire dozen. Not into milk tea and donuts? How about chicken? How about a bucket of fried chicken? Life hacks will always be amusing. Get busy with simple bedroom or kitchen DIYs, or talk about building healthy habits. Writing to your future self is as straightforward as it sounds. Visit futureme.org to know more. Take fun online quizzes with your viewers. Which fruit are you? Which country do you belong to? Or even which Hogwarts house are you meant to be in? Take fun personality quizzes with your viewers. Another simple but engaging stream is to play Truth or Dare with your viewers. On to more randomness that you never know could be useful in the future. Why not learn to tie different knots? Or maybe also learn how to tie a necktie? If cat videos on the internet have told us anything about how amusing having pets could be, why not introduce your pet to your viewers? It can be 1 step, 3 steps, or 9 steps, but skincare is one habit that we could all benefit from. Celebratory streams work because they bring the community together to enjoy a common event. So go ahead and celebrate birthday streams, anniversary streams, or even monthsary streams. We're asleep for about a third of our lives, so why not make it the best that we can experience? Share your sleeping tips and learn from your viewers as well. Another game that will require a friend and props. Speak Out is just as messy as it could be fun. Now taking it more seriously for a bit, why not learn your Myers-Briggs personality type? Take the test so that you and your viewers can learn more about each other. Changing stream schedules, a big event coming up, incredible news you just want to share, have a stream dedicated to a major announcement. More on the self-help path over here. Explore the 1% rule with your viewers and motivate each other to become better versions of yourselves every day. Hello, hola, konnichiwa, guten tag, assalamualaikum. Learn different ways to say hi in as many languages as you can. This can either really be a great skill to learn or a hilarious stream to watch. Learn how to hold your breath for as long as you can. Stay with me here. Ant traps. I know it's random, but DIYs can be fun, especially when you kinda mess it up. We can always be better at managing our time. Maybe you're good with yours, or maybe you need a bit of help. Share and learn time management techniques for your next stream. This is a very valid excuse to just riff off and share stories with everyone. Rate your day, your week, or even your month. Can't sleep because of ideas lingering in your head? Go ahead and write your late night thoughts down so that you can share it the next day. Or maybe even whip out your phone and start streaming right away. What are you thankful for? I'm thankful that you're watching this video and have made it to the end. Watch some more live stream tutorials over here. Please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Let's start with the burgers. Burger natin is the Beyond Chomper with cheese. Wild Things Bacon Cheeseburger. This is the breakfast burrito. Oh my goodness. Barbacoa tacos. There are so many donuts. Let's try something simple first. The chips. Lightly salted lang siya. Oh, this is a big burger. May onion rings din sa loob. This one literally looks like meat. Insanely delicious. I don't know where you have been all my life, green bar. Gagamitin natin yung chip. Ang galing. All vegan. Oh, peaches and mango. Gets ko na kung bakit bacon. Kasi coconut. Gawa siya sa coconut. Kaya bacon. This mukbang is not about pushing you to change your lifestyle completely. More of just to have a hybrid type of lifestyle or at least try out some more plant-based options.